Yardie Belly's Kitchen once again. This is your boy, yes, Yardie Belly, aka Reverend Sendtohope. You don't know. Alright, so today I have a crazy idea, and I'm hoping that it work. Again, it's one of my first time dishes. I'm gonna make a meatless chili. Yes, meatless chili. Alright, let me show you what I have quick. I have some parsley over here. I have one beet, yeah. I have some onion, one yellow onion, large size onion. I have here 1 clove of black garlic, yeah, and this is fermented garlic. And trust me guys, this is a crazy product. Tastes so good. I have 1 stalk of celery. It's a bunch of celery, man, but we just put 1 stalk here. So alright, so you can, if you're looking at recipes, this is about 3 stalks of celery. I have 4 stalks of green onion. I have some thyme. I have a piece of ginger. I have some garlic here, about 6 cloves of garlic. I have 2 bell peppers. No, 1 bell pepper that I cut up there. And this is what I'm gonna use to substitute the meat. This is mushroom, right? And it's this brand here, specialty mushroom mycopa, and I think it is at Whole Foods. And what I do is, when I have mushrooms and I have things that are perishable and I know I'm gonna use them, I put them in the freezer. So this, I just take it out of the freezer. Organic, fresh, good mushroom. This one is maitake fondrosa. Yeah, and this is mushroom as well. So I have two separate containers of mushroom that I'm gonna use. And then I have 2 separate cans of beans. I have some pinto beans, yeah, that are pinto beans, and I have kidney beans, yeah, from Simply Nature. All right. So let me just tell you what the procedure is. I'm gonna cut up all of this thing right here. Then I'm gonna start with my chili. So cutting up chili. What me say? 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 All the ingredients and thing. Now, I have a serious problem, folks, and I go keep that video as real as possible, right? My onion, everything cut up, what you said before. Now, when I finish clean up my mushroom, how me want it, and I put them on for blanch, because remember I said them did frozen, at this me get out of it. I never want to use the mushroom as how I see it. So I say I go switch the recipe. I go use the mushroom. I go cut them up and use them, yes. But I go back to what me know, which is my regular beef. So I have to draw for something. Because I know say I talk with the wifey, and the wifey never sound too confident at all. Like she interested in what me do, to be honest. So what you have now? I draw for that piece of sirloin beef I did have in the freezer, and I'm gonna do the same recipe, same chili, but I have to modify it and turn it into chili con carne. Yeah, our beef chili. So make we start the process, and you see how it go what the word is, evolve. Alright? We have to keep it real. Sometimes the thing don't work out how we want it. We have to turn it on and make fashion. We have to do what? Turn it on and make fashion. Turn it on and make fashion. It means we are going to make do with what we have, make the best of every situation. Alright? So, let's start the ball rolling. We are make beef chili. Yes? Important aspect of making chili con carne is tomato and tomato sauce. So I'm going to make sure I'm showing you this. I have 4 Roma tomato here, and I have a little small tomato sauce. Normally I don't really use tomato sauce still, no, but I want to use it this time. Alright, so I'm going to cut up them 4 tomato here, and then I'm ready to add my tomato sauce. Alright. Now here I have my beef, my sirloin mince in the pot. Yeah, I just throw it in the pot and make the pot defrost it. That way that me get it that crumbling state I want, because I don't want it to stick together. Yeah? This has nothing at all in it. This is just the beef alone. And you just put it in the pot. You don't have to even put oil in the pot. You understand? You just put the beef in the pot and make it cook. at least not even cook, just make it come to that level here, you know, with defrost. Yeah, because some people put on the beef and make it defrost naturally. Me, I've always done it this way. Please don't come for me. This is just my version, my little style. Alright, so once it get to this consistency here now, I'm going to start build my flavor notes now. Alright, that's what I'm going to start build. So the first thing that I'm going to add is I'm going to add my onion, at least half of the onion. Well, the whole of the onion. This is a big onion. I have some garlic and some ginger and some thyme and some parsley. Alright, garlic, ginger, thyme, parsley and onion. I'm going to add that and just make this go and cook. Now make keep the fire on high because I want this incorporate nicely. I want the flavors them start to blend. And remember, chili is like a stew, right? So we just basically just continue building on flavor. Alright, so I'm gonna make this just go and do it thing. You know, the fire is on medium high to high, and what we want now is them onion here start get translucent, the garlic start to can a little nutty flavor, and yeah, chili are gonna come together. Right now, this is the easiest way I know to cook chili. You know, if you want to stand up over it hours and hours, that is your thing. But this is the easiest way I know to cook it and the most traditional way I know to cook it. Yeah, and I promise you it's gonna turn out nicely as it. Yeah, so this is gonna stay for a while. Make all of them flavors soak in. I want to tell you. Oh, sorry. I'm not supposed to knock the pot. I apologize. Yeah. So once this has incorporated, we add in more vegetables until we eventually get to where we want to go. Alright? Yes, man. This is gonna be about maybe 15 minutes on high heat. That it will take a little time for everything start to blend, and it becomes almost like it's a fry. You know? So yeah. Brown, yeah, that's the right word, brown. So from you hear that the tune, right? Or that frying noise. That's what I'm sure you know. Or see? Once you hear that, you know that the browning process has begun, the water dry out of it, the excess moisture has gone from the pot, and now is the beef actually start to do its thing, start to cook, you know, sorry about the extra steam, you know, but we're working around here. Now is the time I'm gonna add my mushroom that I just rough chopped, yeah? I'm gonna add my mushroom to that. Now because I'm not 100% familiar with the mushroom thing, I just want it incorporate from now, you know, and thing, yeah. So my thing will come there nicely. So now I'm gonna stir fry this a little bit, yeah. Turn down back my stove a little bit, yeah. And I'm gonna put a little bit of water, just because I don't want nothing to overburn. Yeah, I just put a little bit of water back. Yeah, to keep up the bottom of the pot that it not burn, you know. Yeah. And now, I'm going to start build some flavors now. Yeah, I'm going to start build up some flavors now. Alright. So watch and see where I go on now. Alright, so me go on good. Now I'm going to add some soya sauce. Let me see the container open. I add some soya sauce. I just add in my tomato sauce. I'm use some water now, wash out the cup a little bit. Yeah. And I added some paprika. And I also added my Italian herb. Yeah. And so building on flavors. I make it stewed up now. And once again, guys, I apologize for the way in which my videos are sometimes shaky or anything like that. You know, I in my description box you will notice I asked for help to buy some camera equipment, you know, stuff like tripod and them little thing. Anything where you know, if I have about maybe almost 7,000 people on my subscribers list, and I have about almost 1 million views. And I figure if everybody give a little, maybe with $1 or $2, I can afford to buy it. You know, I would love to buy a GoPro camera. I would love to buy, you know, some stuff. Alright, so yeah, that is a different thing, but bear with me because I try to get this thing going, you know. Alright, so now I have my stuff in there. Now the chili, this is where the slow cooking part of the chili come in. Alright, so pretty much I put my tomato paste in. I'm gonna add some water now. I'm gonna do my little seasoning, and then I'm gonna also add the rest of my vegetables and make this thing just stay up on the pot and do it thing. You understand? As a matter of fact, I have some celery and some bell pepper. Add that. Yeah. Last thing we may add my tomato. You understand? I have the red kidney bean, and I'm not going to use the pinto bean. I'm going to use red kidney bean alone. That I'm going to add and the tomato, and yeah, make my chili I got shot. You understand what I say? So as I said, a little water to this, let it stay and simmer, do it thing. That's all the ingredients, all the seasoning. I got fully cooking and nice up, and yeah, you see it, blend or permeate. Yeah, that's my new word, permeate. I know the correct word is permeate, but yeah, you know, if Nelson can make his own dictionary by inventing words, I can do the same thing too. So I'm gonna let these ingredients just blend. Alright, so watch and see what I go. Okay, so it's been about say 20 minutes. Yeah, about 20 minutes, and this is what is happening here. The smells are crazy in the house, folks. All out of road it smells. You understand? Everything I cook down, a blend, mellow, nice and jello. Yeah, mellow rhyme. Woo! Alright, so I'm going to add one more cup of water. I added maybe about 2 cups of water already. And I added the water intermediately. You understand? I'm going to add the water one time. Because it's not really boiled. I try to boil. It's like almost like a braise, you know? So, add more water. And at this time, I am ready. You can see little pieces of mushroom there and here and there. You know, overall, you know, the seminar really also like make the color go down not darker than that. You know, you could have used like a browning. Some people say browning not really good, but yeah, could have used some browning if you want, but that's the color that I want. Alright, so what I have in this plate now, I have some Scotch bonnet peppers, the green pepper that you see there. I also have my black garlic, which is some fermented garlic that is cut up right there, and I have my tomatoes. Adding all of that right now. Yes, wow, immediately the Scotch bonnet pepper start permeate the house. Bear with me, folks, bear with me. Alright, the black garlic, if you want to look it up and the uses of it and the health benefits, yeah, it's really healthy, guys. Now the Scotch bonnet pepper is my way of putting back my little Caribbean stamp into this you know, American style dish. Yeah. And so you see the wow, smell good, you see? I can't tell you how good this smell. Cannot tell you how good this smell. You know, I forget smell of vision. Yeah. Wow. Alright, so I'm having that. This is where you're going to leave it for simmer now, you know, because you know, you need to trouble this thing. Now here, I substituted the pinto beans for another can of red kidney bean. And if you want to, you could reconstitute your own red kidney bean. You could make your own kidney bean and add it. That's your business, you know. But I wanted to use the quick and easy method. Because when you're fine, you have work, you don't have time for really and truly spend over a pot the whole day. I'm going to invite my brethren to come get some of that food here. Because we don't really eat alone. You know, this can serve for dinner, it can serve for lunch the next day, it can serve for breakfast, it can serve for brunch. Yeah, that's just how you want it served. You know. See how my thing set? My thing look good. I'm not tell no lie. My thing look good. Yes. Oh, sorry about the licking of the pot. Boy, nah, learn. And the last thing I'm gonna add is my green onions. And obviously, I'm gonna have to use back little to garnish the pot. Garnish the plate when I'm done cook, but you know it got ready. Now this, sorry guys, I'm very industrious. I don't like leave. You know, you watch some cooking show and the people them throw some of the stuff out of the pot, and then like things left in the liquor plate and them throw it away. No, everything must come out. Once I cut it up, everything must go into my pot. That's who I am. Yes, that's who I am. So I'm gonna leave this for another 20-30 minutes. As long as you want, you can make it stay there and simmer. Alright? And when you're ready, you plate it. Me look around to see if I leave anything out. No, what you do now is you adjust your seasoning, and you adjust your seasoning based on your preference, based on your taste, based on what you want. If you want a little more pepper, you want a little more salt, whatever you want, you adjust your seasoning to compensate. Alright guys? So once again, me go make this go and simmer, and then you see the finishing. You see what I say? Here we have the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, my chili con carne with mushrooms. And of course, you can try this in your neck of the wood. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And remember, you can have this with rice. You can have it with ground provisions. You can have it as I have presented it here with nachos, or tortilla, or pita, or roti, or yam and dumpling, wherever you want to put it with. Okay? So, remember, try something in your neck of the woods. You can't fail if it's your idea, and if it's your style, and if it's your food, it will work out. Alright? Once again, Yardie's Kitchen, Yardie Belly. And just remember, peace. Alright?